Well, hello from London, UK. You can probably see Tower Bridge in the background. I'm on the 51st floor of the Shangri-La in London. No right to be here. You would normally have to be a hotel guest to even have access. But I just walked in. They said, "Where are you going, sir?" "Just to reception at the hotel, please." Okay, they let me through. There's then you go around the corner. There's another lift to get you from floor 35 up to floor 51. "Where are you going, sir?" "Just to the bar at the top." "Do you have a reservation, sir?" "No." "Are you a guest of the hotel?" "No, but can I go on?" And on spec, you see. "Okay, sir, if they've got availability, maybe." So I went up. They said, "Are you a guest?" "No." "Do you have a reservation?" "No." I said, "Do you have any availability just for one, for a table?" "Yes, sir. Yes, please come in." So here I am. I had no right to be here, but I'm here because if you're bold in life, you can go where you want to go. And the same is true in your online business. We can look at the online world and see we have no place there. We've got no background, no understanding. The big players have made their millions and trillions, but we have no idea what to do. And that was me 2 years ago. I had no right to be successful on the internet. And yet because I followed a framework that LaunchU provided, Launchpad, step by step, from nothing, I've learned how to be successful online. So I can go anywhere in the future. Because I've traded time for money my whole life, which restricts us to what we can earn. We live in a certain lifestyle, the certain cars we can buy, the homes we can buy. On the internet, you can build whatever you want. Build your asset and multiply it, do it again. There is no ceiling. And you set the thing going in autopilot, so you're not restricted in your time. You have a right to claim your share of the internet trillions. Who's stopping you? You go if you want to. You build if you want to. But how? Launchpad is your answer. I had no idea. Here is Launchpad. Click below and you can try it for a week free. For absolutely nothing. Try the AI support agents. Try the interactive learning tools. See if you can create something online. Let the AI do the research for you. Do the heavy lifting for you. It's better and quicker and faster, more powerful than it's ever been. I did it with the old system 2 years ago and was successful. Now, you can do it ultra fast. It is fantastic. So click the button below, join me in this Launchpad journey. Try it for a week. If you don't like it, hand it back. But it could just take you to the top of the world like I am tonight. And it is worth it, I can assure you. The view from the top is worth it. Claim your share. Don't let anyone stop you. Go for it and win your freedom. Join me.